Hey, before you get this flashlight, there is a few things you just might want to know. First, let me show you some of the different features that it has and might just help you make a better choice. This one actually has two different lights. It has this light on the side. This one is actually very good for when you're going to be working on something with the tools. And speaking of tools, this flashlight has something I've never seen before. Check this out. The tools actually come stored right in it. Great little emergency thing for your vehicle, for your bike out camping where you just might not have all your tools with you. This has the essentials with it. First thing that it has here is you're going to see it has this little screwdriver here with all the different driver bits that go with it. It also has a couple of different Allen wrenches up here. It has a measuring tape, a little razor knife. You also have these different socket heads here that you can put in here for making some small repairs. I like that it has this little lock right there so that everything stays secure inside. Other light is right up here in the front, and you can see it has this little like mirror like around it with the LED chip on the inside. On this bright mode, it gets 983 lumens. On the medium mode, it gets 350 lumens. And then it has this SOS mode right there. The side one here also has a bright, a little less bright, and an SOS mode as well, which could be great if you're fixing your bike, your motorcycle, or your car as well. I don't think I'll buy anything that requires regular batteries anymore. This one you simply charge up. It has a rechargeable battery in it. And another cool thing is you can actually use this to charge your phone or tablet or something like that. Now, let's show you the nice rugged design that this has. So you could easily throw this in your car, your truck, into your camper, throw it right into the tent. Not going to have to worry about it. Nice solid design. Now, just how far will this beam of light go? Well, this can reach a distance of 1,758 feet. That's pretty far, so it's going to give you a nice illuminated area. And one of the things that I really love about this is that you can get up to 18 hours of runtime with it. That's quite a bit. So whether you're looking for a flashlight for an emergency in your vehicle, out for camping, just to have as a backup in the house in case the power goes out, I think this one right here is a really good choice.